What it do, YouTube? This your boy Richard Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. Yes, sir. Anyways, I want to thank everybody for coming to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys click the subscribe, click the notification bell, and also leave a like and leave a comment. Today, we got the first modification for the Mustang for the motor. I'm super excited now. I want to be a fast boy, you know what I'm saying? So now we're going to do all the proper steps to making this car fucking fast. Anyways, today I just received my cold air intake. It was a little bit of a wait, but it's finally here, and I'm excited. So this one is super badass. We're going to work on the car. I'm excited. I'm super excited for this one. So yeah, let's get this car worked on. But before we go in there, I'm gonna show you guys dope ass intake. All right, so let me show you guys. This is the new intake, and I did a few things different to my Mustang and my RSX. As you guys see, Art of Attack banner, got a blue one on that one, and I got the red one on the Mustang. This car, stay tuned, it's about to get crazy. But anyways, this is the first modification for the motor for the Mustang. I got the C and L cold air intake. It's not a closed intake. I got the open. It's all preference. Some people say for the heat and but it still come with a heat shield. I just like how the open is open, you know what I'm saying? And then eventually when I get my carbon fiber hood, it will be more air vents and stuff like that. But anyways, this is the C&L cold air intake. Got a big, ooh, this one looks nice. Got a big one, pause. But yeah, just to show you guys. But yeah, so we do got the intake. I'm excited. So what I'm gonna do is work on the car, and we're gonna show you guys how this shit looks once it's installed. But I gotta show you guys under the hood. But this is the first steps into making my motor faster on my soon to be 1,000 horsepower Mustang. And yeah, so this is a step. Obviously you got to do tunes and stuff like that to get shit really going, but this is a step. I'm excited to get it. And yeah, and it comes with excellent directions. Like, this thing really comes with good directions on here. Definitely shows very good, clear. It's not one of them tiny ass pictures where you can barely see. You got to squint your eye. But anyways, let's get this going. It's like 100 degrees today. And yeah. Oh yeah, Monterey Car Week. We might be going down tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. We're going to be doing Monterey Car Week. And yeah, let's get this shit going, y'all. I'm gonna snap my finger. We're gonna open the hood right now. Jeez. This is under the hood. So let's get this going, y'all. We gotta get some stuff replaced and some stuff taken out of here. And yes sir, let's do it. All right guys, so I have to park it up here. Over there was too much sun on me. It's too damn hot. Yeah, this is a muscle car garage. But anyways, it was too hot over there, so I'm gonna put it over here, but knock it out real quick and get this going. This car looks so freaking awesome, and can't wait to put the intake in. Let's get it done, y'all. Let's get it done. So I gotta come in here, lift this. There we go. And there it goes, just like that. Let's get this going. It's kind of dope to like actually put hands on my own car. So I finally accomplished taking out the whole, I took out the whole stock intake. So I finally got that out. Feels good to actually get your hands on your own stuff. This is like my fourth or third car doing any type of intake. So I did it with my Honda Civic hatch. I done it with my Integra. I'm doing it to this car. I did it to my 350Z, and I could have sworn I did it another time. But anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks, and this is how it's going. So right here, this is the stock intake. Very simple actually to take it out. You gotta make sure you guys take off the sensors off of here, obviously. But yeah, this is the whole stock intake. Just gonna keep this just in case, you never know. It's good, nice to have that. All the hardware for that I'm gonna actually keep separated, so just in case if I ever have to go back to a stock, which I never will, but you never know. I have that there. So right here under the engine bay, you see this whole part taken off. Obviously you leave this in, because at first I was like, do I take this thing off? But no, I don't take that off, leave that in. This is how it looks so far. Everything's looking good. Everything's looking good under the engine bay. So that just scared the shit out of me. Anyways, yeah, so now for the next part, it's time to get stuff installed. And this is sick, man. This is a nice one. Super nice. Super nice. Love this material. C&L definitely made a nice one. Very nice. Came real nice and packaged. So let's get to the next step. And once I get to the next step, I'll definitely show you guys how it went.